Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you trying to learn Spanish? My first grader takes Spanish lessons and he absolutely loves them. I wanted to get a book to supplement what he's been learning, and this book does not disappoint. It has a lot of common questions, common phrases, and different exchanges that you can have. I really love that it has the Spanish word at the top and what it means in English at the bottom. It's also really good for coloring. My son does not like to color at all, but we've been trying to practice with him. So this is actually really good for him because you can practice coloring and it's not too much surface space that you have to cover. And as he's coloring, he's retaining all the words that he is learning. He loves to just sit and look at his book and read and practice and try to sound out the words in Spanish. It's really good to see. So this book is really awesome if you are trying to communicate with someone that's Spanish. This is definitely more of a conversational book. How to respond to certain things, different questions to ask. This is a really good product for someone just starting off or a child trying to learn Spanish. My son loves this book. It's really good with coloring and really seeing what to say, how to say it. We love this book and we're going to keep on using it and we're going to keep on learning some Spanish, and that's my point of view.